This heat sink requires drilling and tapping on two sides. How to process it accurately and efficiently. This drilling, tapping and cutting integrated machine from Shenzhen Haicheng Technology Company Limited is specially designed for processing aluminum profile heat sinks. It can perform high-speed drilling, tapping and cutting simultaneously on two sides, top and side of the aluminium heat sinks. Raw material goes in and finished products come out, completing all processes in one step. This machine supports a maximum material width of 110 millimeters, maximum height of 65 millimeters, and a single feeding stroke of 130 millimeters, featuring fast discharging, fewer working procedures, high efficiency, stable precision, and reliable quality. It ensures consistent production and is ideal for mass production of aluminum profile heat sinks. For this heat sink, one hole on the front side and two holes on the side can be machined synchronously. The cut surface is extremely smooth and burr-free. It is the optimal production equipment for aluminum profile heat sink manufacturers. Welcome your visit and samples testing.